The skin on your head is highly permeable. It acts like a sponge, absorbing almost everything it touches and passing those compounds directly through the epidermis. When you install premium hair extensions or braids, you are often introducing factory chemicals right against that absorbent skin. Laboratory tests frequently find residues like lead, a known neurotoxin, and formaldehyde, a respiratory irritant, coating these materials. If you wear high-density extensions for weeks at a time, you trap a microclimate of sweat, dead skin, and friction against your scalp. This constant contact forces those factory toxins straight into your skin barrier. Standard surfactants struggle to break industrial bonds, requiring physical extraction. Bentonite clay has a high cation exchange capacity. It carries a strong negative charge, while toxins carry a positive charge. The clay binds to impurities like a magnet, pulling them entirely out of the follicle. Shampoos clean the surface, but neutralizing factory residues requires this chemical reset of the foundation to protect long-term scalp health. Before applying an active drawing compound like bentonite clay, we have to ensure your skin can safely handle the extraction process. Your scalp is highly vascularized and built from multiple sensitive layers, including the epidermis and the dermis beneath it. We need to be certain the clay won't aggravate this tissue. Step 1 is the patch test. Mix a small dab of the active paste, apply it to a discrete area of your skin, and wait 24 to 48 hours. During that waiting period, you are monitoring your skin for any sign of a reaction. Look closely for itchiness, redness, or a rash. If you skip this test and apply the mask to a sensitive scalp, you risk causing severe follicle inflammation. Taking time to test ensures your detox actually heals the skin instead of setting it back. To prepare the mixture, you need 4 tools and materials: a closed lid container, calcium bentonite clay powder, water, and apple cider vinegar. Building the base requires an exact ratio. You need 1 cup of clay, 1 cup of water, and a half cup of apple cider vinegar. The water you use must be warm, but never hot. Warm water is required to activate the clay's properties, while hot water risks burning your scalp. If you mix these ingredients and the paste is too thick to spread, slowly add small splashes of warm water until it reaches a smooth, manageable consistency. We include apple cider vinegar to balance the acidity of your hair. This specific addition helps restore the surface shine and overall health of the strands once the clay is rinsed out. By strictly following this ratio, you transform a dormant powder into a highly active, toxin-binding matrix ready for application. When applying the paste, your primary target is the scalp itself. The goal is to coat the skin directly, rather than covering the lengths of your hair. Part your hair cleanly so the skin is exposed, and massage the thick paste firmly into the roots. This targeted massage pushes the clay into the stratum corneum, the outermost protective barrier of your scalp. The mechanical action of your hands also stimulates blood circulation. Increased blood flow accelerates the process, helping the clay draw impurities up and out of follicles. Once your scalp is fully coated, leave the mask completely undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have any paste left over, scoop it into your closed lid container so you can conserve it for your next treatment. Adhering to this specific contact time ensures the clay has the opportunity to fully saturate the pores and complete the cation exchange at the skin level. When your 10 minutes are up, the final step is extraction. Use warm water to thoroughly rinse the activated mask out of your hair. With the factory biofilm removed and the pH-balanced Ida vinegar, the hair is structurally prepared to absorb hydration and reflect a natural shine. For long-term maintenance, especially if you have chronically dry or brittle hair, you can substitute this mask for your daily shampoo and conditioner 1 to 2 times a week. It is highly effective to deploy this specific detox immediately before installing any new braids, weaves, or protective styles, giving you a completely clean slate. You cannot grow resilient, beautiful hair on a toxic foundation. Subscribe to the channel for more scientific strategies on scalp health and